Last night, we learned the 1-6 Select Committee has evidence now that Donald Trump and his allies engaged in potential crimes when they tried to overturn the results of the 2020 election, including conspiring to defraud the United States and obstructing an official congressional proceeding. These alleged acts were revealed through a court filing that challenges conservative lawyer John Eastman's claim of attorney-client privilege as he tries to prevent the committee from accessing thousands of his emails. The court filing says this, quote, evidence and information available to the committee established a good faith belief that Trump and others may have engaged in criminal and/or fraudulent acts, and that Eastman's legal assistance was used in furtherance of those activities. While there is not yet a criminal referral by the Select Committee to DOJ, it certainly seems to indicate that one could be on the horizon. They have the evidence now. It leaves open the question of what DOJ will do when and if it receives evidence from the committee. In just the last hour, the committee issued its latest subpoena to Donald Trump Jr.'s fiancée. That's Kimberly Guilfoyle of Fox News. She spoke at the rally on the Ellipse on the morning of the insurrection, with the committee noting that she was in direct contact with key individuals and raised money for the rally. We know they're following the money. That's where we start this hour. Joining us now is Congressman Adam Schiff of California. He's a member of the House Select Committee on January 6th and the chairman of the Intelligence Committee. We'll get to the latest in Ukraine. I want to ask you about this filing. You have been as transparent as I imagine you can be in the midst of an ongoing investigation, but this does create for the public the fullest picture of the evidence you have that supports a conspiracy in which Donald Trump participated. Are we reading that correctly?
You're certainly reading it correctly, that we believe that there is a good faith basis to conclude that Donald Trump and members of his campaign were engaged in actions that violated the law or were designed to defraud the American people. It is, for example, a crime under Title 18 to corruptly obstruct an official proceeding. Of course, the joint session was a quintessentially official proceeding. And the statements you just aired from Bill Barr, frankly, couldn't be better timed in terms of this court proceeding, because Barr is basically saying, I told the president that these claims were BS. And part of demonstrating the corrupt intent is showing that the president and others knew that their claims were baseless. So, yes, the committee believes that there is, good faith reason to conclude that the evidence we're seeking from Eastman's documents contain evidence showing a crime or fraud.